Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kira here, Island Socialist on Instagram. So today we have a fun new pattern release from Love Notions Sewing Patterns. It is the Tinley shorts, skirt, and skort pattern. So perfect for the summertime, perfect for the hot weather, perfect for sports and activities, holidays, and obviously perfect for my island life. As usual, with every new drop from Love Notions, there's a launch sale. So Tinley is $3 off from today until next Monday. And as I always do, I will put the line drawing on the screen so you can see all of the options and the sizing and the fabric. Speaking of fabric requirements, what I love the most about Tinley is that you can use either woven fabrics or knit fabrics. There is an elasticated waist at the back, and the front is a flat front. So you can use either knit or woven. I will just suggest sizing down if you want to use a knit fabric. For my sample, I used woven. I used a cotton linen blend, and I will show you that in a second. But first, I want you to pay attention to the line drawing so you can see the different views and options in this pattern. Y'all already know Tammy likes to have a lot of options in her patterns. So like I said, shorts, skirt, and skort. Saying that is like saying the seashells thing. I can't say it, so I'm not gonna try. Anyway, so the shorts, um, it's you have either a straight fit short or full, and same for the skirts actually. You either have like a, well, it's not really straight, it's like slight A line, but it's called straight in the pattern, and then full, which is like a flowy, proper flowy, circly type of skirt. The shorts version that is full, honestly, you can't even tell it that it's short. So if that's something you like, where it's shorts, but it looks like a skirt, so like it can't blow up on anything because it's shorts, but you can't really see the leg line either because it's so full. I will put a picture of Tammy wearing hers because that one is just beautiful and she picked the perfect fabric to display those. I think you're gonna love them. So if you notice in the image of the straight skirt, you can see the biker shorts under the skirt. So it's that type of skirt. It's not the type that is like shorts in the back and skirt in the front. It's the type that has shorts built in underneath the skirt, which I love because I can't wear a skirt without tights anyway. Hello, chub rub is a thing. So I like to wear tights under every single one of my skirts, whether it's a long skirt, short skirt. I can't deal with the chub rub thing. And I am also really careful with the tights that I put under the skirt because I don't like the riding up either. So I did make some alterations to these biker shorts to prevent, well, to further prevent chub rub and the shorts riding up. So now that we're talking about the alterations that I made, I did record a few clips of me sewing the Tinley pattern, getting it put all together. So I am going to share those with you now. It's not a so long, but you'll get to see some of the details and just some of these steps along the way as I put my Tinley together. So this is my Tinley skirt. I just wanted to show it from a distance so you can see the shape and also to show you that there are biker shorts underneath built in to it. And as you can see, the front is flat and the back has the elastic waist, which I love. So the waist fits nice and snug. And for anybody who has a little bit of a tummy like me, the flat front really helps with that. It gives the illusion of a flat stomach, even if your stomach ain't flat, and then it's fitted on the back. So love that. And the construction to put the waistband together was really, really satisfying. So this is my Tinley. Fabric is cotton rayon, what? Cotton linen blend. I actually bought this fabric in Panama and had it holding for 3 years now in my stash, just waiting for the perfect project. So, like I said, I did make some alterations to the biker shorts, and with the skirts, I have to say that it's meant to have a 2-inch hem, but I actually only hemmed it 1¼ inches because I found the 2 inches was just a little bit too short for me. So that is the one thing I would suggest, is that you pay attention to the length. If you don't usually like your stuff extra short, it is a little bit shorter than the usual Love Notions pattern, and that's because of the type of style it is. With the shorts built in, it's really meant for like golf and tennis and all these sports and activities and summer activities. But I want this to wear in like everyday life. So I did reduce the hem so it could be just a little bit longer. So onto the sew along. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what the pattern looks like when it is coming together. So this is the straight skirt, and I just did my front pockets, and I basted the pockets along the top and the side. Then I have my front waistband with the interfacing applied, and I also have my back waistband. With the back waistband, I have to sew half-inch channels across, 3 half-inch channels, where we will thread through 3/8 inch elastic all the way through. And then I have my back skirt haircut on the fold. This fabric is so busy, you probably cannot even see, but this is the back. And as you can see, the back does not have much shape, and it's pretty much almost a rectangle. And that is because the back is going to have the elastic waist, and the front is going to have that gorgeous flat front. And then I also have the biker shorts cut out here, and I did lengthen my inseam 1.5 inches because I just need a little bit more length on the leg to deal with the chub wrap situation, and also riding up. I hate when biker shorts ride up, so I know how I like my biker shorts to fit, and I need them to hit a specific point so that they don't ride up. So I lengthened mine 1.5 inches. I hope that that is not too short, because I actually didn't read the instructions thoroughly, and I didn't realize that the skirt is getting a 2-inch hem instead of a 1-inch hem. So the biker shorts may actually be a little bit too long. I'm gonna wait until I have it sewn up, and then I will see if I need to make any changes. So that is where I'm at. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the channels and thread through the elastic, and I'm also going to stitch the back to the front at the side seams. So this is what the back waistband looks like after I threaded through the 3/8 inch elastic in the 1/2 inch channels. As you can see, the bottom is still open, and I'm going to tack those edges to keep the elastic in place. And here's my front. And so I placed the front right sides together, folded over the back, so we're sandwiching the back in between the front, so it's going to be tucked nicely in there. And we're going to sew with 3/8 inch seam allowance at the edge. And here's what it looks like when it is all finished and sandwiched. And now I'm going to do the other side as well. And this is it when both sides are done, and I've basted the front edges together just to keep them in place. Look how neat and nice this waistband looks. Love this method. As you can see, the bottom is still open. Nice and neat and clean. And this is my biker shorts, which I have hemmed with the triple zigzag stitch. I love to use this stitch for athletic fabrics and stretch fabrics because it is super stretchy. I learned to use this stitch with sewing swimwear. So now that you've watched me put my Tinley skirt together, I'm sure you're all waiting to see me try it on. And the bad news is I'm at a hotel and I did not bring with me a proper top to style it with. But I think I have like one option of a white crop tank top. I think the lace at the bottom of the tank top is gonna clash with it, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys just so you can see what it looks like on, because I know it's gonna be a better visual actually seeing it on human form. So I'm gonna try it on and model it for you guys so you can see what it looks like on me, and so you can get a gist of the sizing and everything. So I made size large for reference. Usually I would grade out to extra large, right? But lately I can't handle linen growing. Like every time I make a linen garment and I wear it once, it's usually a lot bigger than it was initially. So to prepare for that, I made a straight size large. So when I wear it and sit in it and walk in it one time, then the hip is going to stretch a little bit and grow a little bit, and then it's going to be perfect fit. So that's just a little trick if you also have issues with linen growing. So now let me model for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed those little clips of me strutting my stuff. And I hope that I have inspired you in some way and that you want to grab Tinley while it is still $3 off. Don't forget you can use my code. My code for this quarter is summer10. Very simple. Summertime will give you 10% off any Love Notions order. So you get an extra 10% off on top of the sale price. So grab Tinley for, well, I don't think we even have much of summer left, but for what we do have left, I hope you grab Tinley and get it all made up. I do want to try the shorts, but time is against me. So we'll see how that goes. But I am happy with my skirt for now. So that is it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!